In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect wired controller to Android TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to use any wired controller with your Android TV. So for this, you will need, of course, a USB cable, and you need to locate the USB ports on your Android TV. So usually you will look at the back of the TV itself. If you have an Android TV box, then you should also have USB ports available. So locate any of the available USB ports, and now you will plug one end of a USB cable into the controller. Usually for modern controllers, this will be USB-C, and the other end goes into the TV. Mainly, they will use USB-A, but of course, if they have a USB-C port, then you can establish a connection that way. As long as you have one cable connected into the controller and another one going into the Android TV or Android TV box, you will be able to use your controller with a cable. Now, if you want to, you can also do it wirelessly as long as your TV supports Bluetooth, but a lot of people prefer to do it through a wired connection because it is going to essentially eliminate any sort of latency, at least compared to Bluetooth. So it's as simple as grabbing any USB cable, usually the one that they provide for charging is going to be enough, and by establishing the connection like so, you will be able to play any game directly on your Android TV using a wired connection. Plug one end of the cable into the controller, the other one into the TV, usually at the back, and it is going to be set up automatically. You don't need to download any piece of software. If the controller doesn't work, you can try a different USB port, and sometimes it might not work in a specific game or application that you are trying to run. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect wired controller to Android TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.